I have a lot of credit and debit card products, but I'm also a huge minimalist when it comes to what I carry with me every single day. So today let's take a look inside my personal wallet to see which cards I carry with me day in and day out, and I'll also explain how I earn 60% cashback equivalent with some of these products. All right, let's jump right into it. What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So, as someone who reviews financial products for a living, it probably doesn't come as a surprise that I literally have a binder of credit and debit card products, but this is my wallet, and actually most of the time I don't even carry this with me. I just have the Apple Wallet on the back of my phone, which only carries 3 cards, one of which is my driver's license. So, long story short, I've really had to think long and hard about which cards I want to carry with me every single day to get the most amount of cash back and rewards. So let's not waste any more time. The first card, which is the newest addition to my wallet, would be the Capital One Venture X card. This is what I would call the most premium card in my wallet, considering it does cost $395 per year, but there are cards like the Amex Platinum card that cost way more at almost $700 per year, and as I've explained in previous videos, I personally feel that the Venture X card gives you a much better value for the dollar, considering it gives you a 100,000 mile sign-up bonus, a 10,000 mile anniversary bonus, a $300 travel credit every year, and a $200 vacation rental credit in your first year, plus 10 points on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One, 5 points on flights, and 2 points on everything else. I know that was a lot to unpack, and I guess I'll just say this once for the entire video. I have reviewed every single product that I'm talking about in today's video, so I'll be sure to link to all of those reviews down in the description below. So the Capital One Venture X card is pretty sweet, but I'll be completely honest, the only reason that I really have this card is that it's the cheapest way for me to get airport lounge access and other premium travel benefits, and from a spending perspective, unless I am booking flights or travel through the Capital One travel portal, which I have yet to really dive into, there are other cards in my wallet that I use, so I don't really know how long this is going to stay in my wallet since I really don't need it for in-person purchases very often, but it looks really cool, it's made of metal, so for the time being it's going to stay right here in what we're going to call the backup wallet. Before we move on to card number 2, I will just mention, since I get questions about it all the time, that the wallet that I carry as my backup wallet is from a company called Volkit, which you can find on Amazon, and this is the plain metal version, but they do also have ones that are wrapped in leather and other materials and have money clips and all kinds of cool accessories. But again, I'm kind of a minimalist in terms of what I carry with me every single day, so I keep it really simple, and this carries 6 cards, and the black Apple wallet that I have carries 3 cards, and for me, 9 in total is more than enough. In fact, since I started using the Apple Wallet, this Volkit wallet usually just stays in my laptop bag and is actually almost empty, but if you do want to check out the Volkit wallet on Amazon, I will link to it down below since I get questions about it all the time, and trust me, I've tried every wallet under the sun, and personally, this is by far my favorite, plus it is super affordable, like under $20, so tough to compete with that. Alright, but enough about the wallet itself. The next credit card that I carry with me every single day that is actually not a credit card would be the Point Cashback Debit Card. What I carry with me right now is the new Point Neon card, which I did recently do a full review on, but Point is soon launching their more premium Titan card, which I am super excited about, so once that product does go live, I will probably carry that with me instead. But you all know that I love the Point Cashback Debit Card, considering I talk about it at the end of pretty much every single one of my videos, and I don't always use this for my regular everyday purchases, but the reason that I carry it with me every single day is that they offer some insane point multipliers and essentially cash back at specific retail locations. And these offers are constantly changing, but they go as high as 20 points back, which is the equivalent of 20% cash back at certain retail locations like Nike, for example. Plus, currently they offer 5 points back at Amazon, 10 points at Clear, 15 at Rag & Bone, and a ton of other places as well. So this card kind of fills in some weird gaps where the other products might fall short, but because they have those insane point multipliers at specific retail locations, this is a product that I will continue to carry in my wallet for a very long time and hopefully get some insane point multipliers at those specific retail locations. So if you want to check out the Point Cashback Debit Card, I will link to it down below where you can sign up and actually get $100 when you make your first purchase, which is pretty sweet. Alright, we actually only have 3 cards left because, again, I'm a bit of a minimalist with this stuff and my wallet is constantly changing. But the third card that stays in my Volkit wallet, which again is kind of my backup wallet, would be be my American Express Gold Card, but specifically the business version, as well as my Novo Business Debit Card. Obviously, I use both of these products for specifically purchases that are related to this YouTube channel because, as you may know, I do run this YouTube channel as a business, and it is registered as Magnified Money LLC, and as a result, it is really important that I keep not only my banking separately, but that I also separate the tools that I use to make business-related purchases. And that is where these two cards come into play. Now, if I'm being completely honest, I've probably only used my Novo Business Debit Card maybe once or twice, and that's because the American Express Gold Card offers way better benefits in terms of points and other benefits as well as far as purchase protection goes, but I do still carry the Novo Business Debit Card with me in case I need it for whatever reason, because you all know that I love my Novo Business account. Now, I want to be clear that I do not have the American Express Business Gold Card, and what I've actually done here that I know is a little bit controversial, but it works for me, is I've actually made Magnified Money LLC an authorized user on my American Express account. And the reason that I did that is honestly because I don't want to pay another $250 per year twice for the exact same card. So I pay $250 per year for my American Express Gold Card. I added Magnified Money as an authorized user, and the American Express app does a fantastic job of separating those business and personal purchases. And then when I go to pay off the balance on those cards, I just pull the business purchases from my Novo account and my personal purchases from my SoFi account. And again, it just keeps everything super clean and separate without me having to pay for two separate American Express Gold Cards. Again, I know that that's a little bit controversial and I've caught some flack for it in the past, but I also know that some of you think that that is completely genius, so I'd love to know what you think of the setup down in the comment section below. All right, we are now moving on to my main Apple Wallet, which carries the heavy hitters that I use every single day, so you definitely don't want to miss these last two cards. So like I said earlier, this Apple Wallet, which just magnets to the back of my phone, is actually only carrying 3 cards, one of which is my driver's license, which obviously I'm not going to show. But the 4th card on today's list is actually just my regular American Express Gold Card. I realize that that may have been a little bit underwhelming since we just talked about this product, but the Gold Card specifically gives me 4 points per dollar on dining, 4 points on groceries, 3 points on flights booked through American Express, and 1 point on everything else. Plus it comes with a lot of other benefits, and again, if you want a full breakdown on this product, then I will link to that full review down in the description below. But this is the card where I'm actually able to earn 60% cashback equivalent, which I'm sure a lot of you are saying is completely impossible or clickbait, so let me explain, because this is a bit of a stretch, but I do actually earn 60% equivalent in cash value. Okay, so like I just said, the American Express Gold Card currently offers 4 points per dollar on supermarkets and dining, which is great for someone like me who spends way too much money on food. So assuming that you're getting the bare minimum redemption value of 1 cent per point, that means that at 4 points per dollar, you're essentially earning 4% cash back on those two categories. 4% is cool, but that's a long way from 60% back, so how does this work? Well, 1 cent per point actually sucks, and with a little bit of effort, you can easily get 3 or 4 cents per point if you redeem those points for one of the American Express transfer partners that American Express offers to all of their members. So at 3 cents per point, again, you're earning 4 points per dollar, you're actually getting the equivalent of 12 cents back per dollar of spending, or 12% cash back. You probably see where I'm going with this, but if you redeem your American Express points to book first class or business class flights on specific rewards flights, which is literally the only way that I personally use my American Express points, you can get 15 cents or more per point, meaning 15 cents per point, you're getting 4 points per dollar on, again, those two spending categories, which basically means that you're getting 60 cents of value per dollar of spending, also known as 60% cash back. I realize that that is not actually cash back that is going into your pocket, and again, the only way to do that is by redeeming those points for high-value first-class and business-class flights that, I don't know about you, but personally, I would otherwise never buy those tickets that sometimes cost thousands and thousands of dollars if you were to pay cash. So is it a bit of a stretch? Yeah, absolutely. However, if you do the math, I do legitimately get 60 cents per dollar of spending of value on restaurants and supermarket categories. All right, I know that got super confusing, and if you don't give a crap about credit card rewards points, then that probably made absolutely no sense. So let's move on to the final card in my wallet, which is actually the card that I use more often than anything else, and that would be, drumroll please, the SoFi credit card. All right, just hold on. I know that might be a little bit underwhelming, but there's actually a really good and valid reason for this. You may already know that the SoFi credit card currently is completely free and gives you a really simple 2% cash back on all of your purchases across the board. So after explaining that ridiculous math problem of getting 60 cents per dollar of spending, why in the world would I use the SoFi credit card instead? Well, I am always going to be completely honest with all of you, so truthfully, the reason that I use the SoFi credit card so often is because currently SoFi is offering a rewards program where every time you refer a friend to the SoFi credit card, they give you a bonus 4% cash back for 30 days on top of the already existing 2% cash back, meaning for 30 days, you actually get 6% cash back for every friend that you refer. And I get that this might not be popular or relatable, but again, I just want to be completely open and honest with you since we are looking inside my wallet today. And yeah, I've talked about the SoFi credit card in a number of videos and have referred a lot of people to this product as a result, meaning I pretty much earn 6% back on this card indefinitely, which means unless I'm spending money in those dining and grocery categories, which again gets 4 points per dollar on the gold card and works out with all of that ridiculous math that I just explained, outside of those categories, the SoFi credit card is by far the best product for me because I'm getting 6% unlimited cash back. So I get that that offer might be a little bit unrelatable, but SoFi is actually giving you bonus cash back when you sign up for the SoFi credit card right now for the first 30 days, and I do really love this product, so I will leave my link down in the description below if you do want to sign up, but if not, no worries at all. I hope that my explanation felt transparent and made some sense. So I get that my last card wasn't any grandiose unveiling of the JP Morgan card or the American Express Centurion, but like I said, I try to keep things pretty simple, and while there are definitely products like the Amazon Prime card that I do frequently use for Amazon purchases, obviously that's fully online, so that is not a product that I carry in my wallet every single day, and otherwise, I'd say that 95% of my spending currently consists of the American Express Gold card or the SoFi credit card, which is why they are the two cards that I carry in my Apple Wallet that stays with me at all times. But as always, those are just the 5, or I guess technically 6 cards that I carry with me every single day, but I'd love to know what your favorite credit card product is down in the comment section below, and why you carry that product with you every single day in your wallet. Plus, I'm always on a constant search for the best wallet, so if you have a suggestion that you'd like me to try out, then also leave that down in the comment section as well. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, the easiest way to do that is actually by checking out some of my favorite financial tools down in the description below, including one offer from the Point Cashback debit card that again will currently give you $100 when you open your account and make your first purchase, so definitely check that out using the link down below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future, and of course, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.